Lionfish, guardians of coral kingdoms. Exploring the beauty and balance with striped marvels.
By AI for Kids. Embark on a journey through vibrant reefs where lionfish, our striped protagonists, evoke awe and caution. Their presence tells a profound story of nature's intricate balance and human intervention. Dive into the wonders of these aquatic marvels and discover their pivotal role within the tapestry of marine life. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Lionfish, the vibrant hunter.
The ocean dances with vibrant colors, and among its most captivating performers is the lionfish. With its zebra-like stripes and feathery fins, this silent hunter roams the Indo-Pacific coral reefs. Its striking appearance conceals a formidable weapon of venomous spine, ensuring that both prey and predators remain wary. As dusk approaches, the lionfish sets out on the hunt, its fins creating an elegant ruffle through the waters, an impressive display of nature's artistry.
In the vibrant reefs of the Indo-Pacific, lionfish reign supreme with their hypnotic stripes and feathery threads. These silent hunters are more than just a feast for the eyes, armed with venomous spines to safeguard their solitude. Gliding unnoticed, I am both beauty and beast, elegance against a backdrop of danger, a guardian of my realm.
A balancing act in coral kingdoms.
In the tapestry of marine life, the lionfish plays a complex role. Within its native habitat, this predator helps maintain the balance of diverse species populations, ensuring the ecosystem remains in delicate equilibrium. Its presence, while advantageous in native waters, becomes alarming when introduced into foreign seas. Here, without natural predators, they threaten the biodiversity of the Atlantic and Caribbean, an ecological conquest wrought by human hands.
Beneath the serene waves, the lionfish assumes its throne as a regulator. Yet, its beauty becomes a cautionary tale, a fragile ecosystem disrupted by a royal guest in alien territories. I thrive where balance beckons, yet here in alien seas, my reign is unchecked. What harmony can these new waters find?
Feathers of venom.
A marvel in disguise, the lionfish is an ambush predator, using its ornate spines not only as visual enchantment but also as lethal defenders. Each spine holds potent venom, a deterrent to unwary intruders or reckless predators. Onlookers must admire from a distance, lest they face a painful reminder of nature's cunning arsenal. This duality of beauty and danger defines lionfish, making them both feared and revered.
The dance of the lionfish is one of controlled grace and silent threat. Its ornamental spines, beyond their vibrant allure, harbor venom, nature's intricate semaphore of touch me not. With beauty comes the cautionary edge of my Kiran fascination, veiling my thorns, a tapestry of seduction woven by power.
Nocturnal soloist of the reefs.
As daylight fades, the lionfish awakens, moving with stealth across the moonlit seascape. It prefers solitude, an orchestra of one, driven by instincts honed in the whispering tides. A true nocturnal hunter, its silhouette slips into the shadows, exerting authority and capturing its prey unobserved. The lionfish's world breathes silence, a whisper of fins across a still ocean, unchallenged under the cover of night.
In the embrace of night, the lionfish emerges, solitude drapes it like a regal mantle. Its dance is unseen, darkness the veil under which shadow meets shadow. Alone, I find peace. I glide unobserved, the night my confidant, solitude my strength.
Feasting with a voracious palate.
Adept hunters, lionfish hunt with unrivaled prowess, dining on small fish and invertebrates. Their unchecked consumption proves disastrous in alien territories, where appetites for more than food threaten local ecosystems. The lionfish's presence reflects humanity's far-reaching impact, its insatiable hunger a metaphor for balance lost, a reminder of responsibility shouldered by those who value nature's diversity.
Across unfamiliar waters, lionfish feasts with unrestrained zeal, a culinary journey reshaping ecosystems. Their insatiable appetite echoes a narrative of unchecked human reach. In a world of plenty, my hunger knows no bounds. I feast not from greed but survival, a tale of abundance tilting toward excess.
The lionfish's dance of life.
The ocean renews as the lionfish embarks on its timeless reproductive ritual. Through external fertilization, females release tens of thousands of eggs in a cascading display of life. This biological symphony ensures their legacy, their burgeoning populace echoing in the ripples of warm tides. Yet, in alien waters, this harmony disrupts, making their dance of life a cautionary tale of nature's dichotomy.
In azure currents, lionfish partake in life's cycle, a choreography of emergence and abundance. Each egg spawned is a note in their ancestral symphony, sometimes harsh, sometimes harmonious. In each tide's cradle, I cast forth my dreams, to weave a lineage across time, yet mindful of the echoes my dance leaves behind.
Heritage and hope, the lionfish's legacy.
The lionfish stands as a testament to resilience and adaptation, now part of narratives at lionfish derbies where communities battle invasive species with awareness. Stories abound of human ingenuity, of ecological stewardship as divers and conservationists strive for balance in these altered seas. Their vibrant finned forms provoke both awe and awareness, a call to preserve what richness remains beneath the waves.
The tale of the lionfish transcends waters once familiar. It's a conversation, drawing humans into the role of caretaker, a guardian in the chronicles of an ever-shifting sea. Each stroke of my fins weaves legacy in my presence, a reminder to find harmony between nature's course and man's enduring footprint.
Conserving the striped marvel.
Although invasive in many regions, the lionfish's singular beauty and ecological impact ignite a conservation conversation. Efforts are afoot with initiatives to curb their numbers while protecting native waters. In schools and communities, the striped marvel teaches lessons on ecology and human impact, inspiring a generation to cherish and protect the seas that inspired such a curious voyager.
In ecological arenas, the lionfish reigns paradoxically a symbol of allure and urgency. Initiatives strive to quell their numbers, marrying preservation with education. In the balance lies purpose, a chord unearthed in the human heart to sail alongside, not against, the eternal tide.